I'm Leonardo Capalbo, and I'm playing Roberto Devereux. Roberto has a choice in the opera to either reveal a lot about himself and how he feels and what he wants to do with his life, or to say very little. And he chooses the latter. I think the audience is in store for a really fantastic piece of theater. This is not just beautiful bel canto music. It's really a psychodrama. It's about a queen who desperately needs a man's love. It's about a young man, Robert, that finds himself no longer able to continue as simply another one of her props. He needs to become something more than that. And if that means dying, then so be it. A fantastic and riveting piece of theater with lush music, yes, but also great drama.